Come in live. Don't give me any other picture. Give me your fresh picture. Okay, that's enough. Don't want any football players picture here. Okay. Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah. Good morning. Good morning,
Good morning,
children.
Good
Yeah.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So all of you have been ready for the class?
Yes.
Okay. So we are going to complete that chapter now. Okay, children? So today, last class, we have studied types of friction, correct? Types of
Yes.
friction. Yeah. All of you just go through, just let me ask you, first to go through all types of friction. We have learned types of friction and the factors affecting friction, correct? That's what we have learned. Yeah. So this chapter is there for your term 1 exam, okay? So we have to complete it. Just go through. Then we go to the further. Yeah, today good number of the students are turned up. Otherwise 16, 15. Very good. Now majority students are there. Still some are less. Before and only 16, 15 students. Okay. Anandita, give me one type of friction, Anandita.
Static friction.
Static friction, okay. Anigrav, what do you mean by static friction, Anigrav? At least look in your notes and tell me what is static friction.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Are you saying? I can't hear you.
Ma'am, can I look?
What is static friction? You can't hear me or what, Anigrav?
Ma'am, I can hear you.
Yeah, now tell me what is static friction? Unmute and tell me definition of static friction, Anigrav. Tell me. Unmute. You are not.
That static friction
Okay.
that keeps an object at rest.
Okay. So that's a static friction. Correct. Okay. Next one. Alia. Next type of friction, Alia. Next type of friction.
Sliding friction.
Sliding friction. Correct. Rudra, what do you mean by sliding friction, Rudra? Everyone, Ayman, on your video. Everyone on the video. Tell Rudra.
Sliding friction comes into play wherever an object moves along the surface of another object.
Yes, correct. Okay, Joseph, can you give me the another friction? So static friction is over, sliding friction is over. Third one. Which is that one?
Increasing and reducing friction.
Not that. My question, type of friction. Type of friction.
Rolling friction.
Yeah, rolling friction. What is rolling friction, Hira? Rolling friction?
It is a friction where the force is
where the
object,
where
the object is rolling.
Yes. So it is the friction against when an object starts rolling. It is the friction which is against the rolling motion. Okay. Agna, what do you mean by fluid friction? Fluid friction? What do you mean by fluid friction?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by fluid friction?
When an object moves in a fluid,
Yes. Correct. Okay. Fluid will exert the friction. Correct. Asin, can you tell me any one factor which is affecting fluid friction? Any factor which is affecting fluid friction?
Of the object.
Okay, speed of the object, correct. Surya Narayanan, another one. One is speed of the object. Another factor which is affecting friction. On the video, Surya. Where is Jeff is not come today? Hari Krishnan on the video. Vinayak. Saiba. Yes. Saiba, tell me another factor which is affecting friction. One is speed of the object. Another one? Fast, Saiba. If you don't know, you say no. All the notes, everything is given well in advance. At least you can look at the note and you can say no. Saiba. This is what, you know, you are making me teachers to be tired by calling out. No one will open. Those are on the video. These are the same students are consistently coming to the class.
Ride a bike.
Salim. Yeah, Salim, give me.
Sorry, ma'am. By my mistake only come.
By miss, but you give me one factor which is affecting the fluid friction. One is speed. Another one? Did you complete the notes, Salim?
No, ma'am.
Then when are you going to complete? When are you going to complete?
Today.
That has been sent by before Onam. Onam holidays I sent. Now your parents must have deleted that notes.
No.
Then?
Having.
Complete it then. Vinayak, can you tell me the factor which is affecting fluid friction? Vinayak.
Friction is
speed of the object. Already one person said speed of the object. I want another factor which is affecting the fluid friction.
Shape of the object.
Yeah, shape of the object. Yeah, Jeff is come.
And we are riding a bike.
Riding a bike. Okay. Vinayak, can you tell me one more? One is shape of the object, speed of the object. One more thing is there.
Power steering.
It is the mass of the fluid or the this thing, the thickness of the nature of the fluid. Okay. Whether if the fluid is more thicker, friction will be more. Yeah. Water will be less friction than the oil. Okay. So that we have studied. Now we are moving on to advantages of friction. Did we discuss advantages of friction?
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
No.
So we are moving on to advantages of friction. There are so many examples in our daily life. Okay. That is advantages. So by looking at Alan, can you tell me which are the ones? See, these are the ones. Just read it for others to hear.
Striking a matchstick. Spiked shoes of cricket players.
Okay, not only players, football players also. We are able
to drive automobiles. Writing on paper.
Then what is this? This I have not written. Tell me now. Playing?
Football.
Playing football. Can you tell me some examples apart from this? Apart from this, these are the at least minimum 6 advantages.
Playing coco.
Playing coco, playing kabaddi,
Basketball.
All the games, whatever we play, it is a advantage of friction. So you can have a horse riding. The people on this, they are playing hockey, correct? Yeah. We are able to play hockey while you ride on the horse. That is also part of a friction. Suppose if there is no friction, you know it. What will happen? The horse will fall down. The people will fall down. You cannot play. Yeah. So many other things are here. So these are the one by one. You can just read. Jeff, Salin, can you read now? Salin, you read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read from the beginning. Due to friction.
Due to friction, We are able to walk, run and stand. B. We are able to write because of the friction between the tip of the pen and paper.
Okay.
C. Vehicle can slow down and stop when they apply braking force.
Okay. Okay. Next person. Aksan, are you there? Aksan. Yeah. Read. Next one. D onwards. Read, Aksan.
Can play various sports on the ground, can hold different objects by hand. It allows us to fix a nail in the wall.
On the wall. Enough. Saiba, can you read the G and F? Read.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
It would not be possible to drive any automobiles on the road without the friction force.
Okay.
F. It would not be possible to construct any buildings without a frictional force.
Okay. So see, I have given you more than 10 advantages. You study any of the 5 advantages. It is not necessary you study the same thing. You can write your own words. Okay. So whatever action you do, you are eating food, you are picking up the chalk, or you are taking food with your fingers, or you are putting it into the mouth. Everything is because of the friction. So if you take the rice with your fingers, there's friction between your fingers and the food particles that make you to hold it and put it in the mouth. Otherwise, all this rice, everything must have fallen down. So all this. So in our daily life, every action what we do, lifting, picking, pushing, pulling, stamping, walking, running, every action, every verb which we use in English is due to friction. Okay, swimming, that also you know. So, but all this frictional forces depend upon the situations. Okay, all this what I have told you is the friction on solids. Already we discussed friction in liquids about boat, ship, fish, and the object which is floating on the water, objects which is falling down and they are floating. You know the plantain stem. Even it fall on the water, it will be floating on the water due to friction. Similarly, aeroplane, birds flying, parachute, glider, everything is due to friction in the air. So that is advantages. At the same time, if there is advantages, same time we can call it as a disadvantages also. So friction is a friend. At the same time, a foe. Foe means F-O-E, enemy. Due to friction, there are some laws for our life. So that is what we are moving to disadvantages of frictional force. So first one, Hira, can you read?
Frictional force result in wear and tear of the object, such as moving parts of machine, the tires of a vehicle, sole of shoes, etc.
Yeah, okay, stop it. So what is that? You know it that every year you have to buy a new school shoes, new t-shirt, new uniform sometimes. Okay, because sometimes it will be faded, sometimes it start tearing and wearing. Why? Because continuous using, our body and our clothes are rubbing each other. Similarly, after becoming dirty, your mother washes in the washing machine. They put the surf. So surf particles and our cloth will have, you know how we are washing, you rub it, yeah? The surf and this we rub it. So actually what we do, we are doing that friction. Because of that, what happened? The particles of the cloth also slowly becoming wear, or it is started tearing. Okay, so there is friction is happening between surf particles and cloth. So that is what we have to buy every year, some of the new clothes. So we always buy a new quality clothes, so that we cannot buy it. Sometimes we cannot buy. Nowadays corona, no, some of the parents are not without a job. Some are struggling very hard. Yeah. So in these cases, we cannot buy a cloth, or we cannot have the food, and also that's the reason. So we have to take care of the things. Clear? Okay. So next, Asin, can you read the second disadvantages of frictional force?
It also results in the production of heat in the cast of machine.
Case of machine. In the case of machines.
The
Okay, Asin, that's enough. So what is the production of heat? If you just rub your hand just now, you can see there's a heat energy produced between your rub. You're just rubbing. Even you rub one or you just give a clap on your fingers. That's enough. You can see there's a heat energy is produced. So any object which is moving on the surface, due to friction, there is a heat energy is produced. Okay. So because of that, this is affecting badly whom? It's mainly affecting the machines. You know, the car engines, mills, big build industries. You know the difficulties. So if the fan and all, you know it. After working for 1 year, 2 year, will the machine will give you, the fan will give you same strong wind?
No.
No. You know that even you put in the number 5 also, it will give you less breeze. Then some kind of sound also started producing. Correct? So all this because of the friction. Machines have, it's a production of heat energy. And you must have seen it while you go for a picnic and all. During 5 hours, 6 hours, the bus driver or the car, we stop it and you pour water in the engine. Have you seen it that like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Why? Because
for
cooling the engine. Because due to friction, you know, all the machine parts of the car, everything is rubbing one another. Even tire and the road, it is started rubbing one another. Sometimes you must observe heavy trucks, and I have seen it. Some spark will come out during the afternoon. There's a sun on the top. At the same time, the truck is moving. Sometimes you cannot manage this. If you not reduce this heat energy, the spark started coming out from the tire and the road. Okay, so this is because of the machines. There's a production of heat energy. It leads to wastage of energy. Wastage of energy means in order to overcome friction, we have to use an external energy. You see the petrol and all. You are buying 1 liter petrol, but you cannot use that full 1 liter petrol for riding. 40% of the petrol will be used in order to overcome the friction. Okay, especially in our Kerala road. Kerala road, you know it. We have to stop in between. You have to apply the brake in between. And you see a lot of, what do you call? Yeah, stones, potholes, all this. Now during rainy season, you see some of your roads. You can see in front of your roads are gone bad. In that case, if you're riding a bike or driving a car, what will happen? The tire has to use extra energy to run faster. So that is why wastage of energy. So 40% of the petrol out of 1 liter will be used in order to overcome that friction. So this is one disadvantage. So that is why every time we have to fill the tank. Okay. Yeah. Next is, who is the Christoph? Christoph. You came now in between. Where is he? I cannot see the Christoph. He joined in between. Okay, Ayman, unmute your audio. After a long time, you are here in the class. Ayman, can you read the... where were you? You were sleeping last week and all. Why didn't you come? Why didn't you come to my class? I have seen you nearly 2-3 weeks. You are not there. Why? Why? Lazy. Huh? Okay, Ayman. I know what is going to happen to you all. But read the third one, Miss dear. Third one. Ayman.
Third one.
Third one. Read.
The frictional force also leads a decrease in the speed of a moving object or same time
sometime stops it. Yeah, already I explained to you regarding the fan. Yeah, regarding the fan, after some time due to friction, hours, 1 year, 2 year is over, the fan will not give you the same speed of breeze because of the continuous friction. Okay, Vinayak, can you read the next one? Fourth one.
It can lead to noise pollution in certain cases. For instance, aircrafts produce
loud sound.
Aircrafts produce loud sound due to the resistance of the air.
Okay, that's enough. Enough. So that's enough, no? See, I already told you, fan, machines and all, you know, see, drilling, construction site, and if you go, there's a lot of sound is there, noise, yes, you cannot bear it. Yeah? Yes. Yeah, sometimes our house itself, if you want to drill something and you see the sound, even fan and or something. Yes. So that also because of the disadvantages of friction. Okay. So due to friction only, all this sound. Even aeroplane, they are miles away from us. They are miles away, far away from us, aeroplane. Still, you can see the sound of aeroplane in the clouds. Okay. And you can even, you may not see the aeroplane, but still from the clouds, you can hear the sound. Why? The cloud and the aeroplane is rubbing one another as it is moving. Okay. So as it is flying, the cloud and aeroplane will be rubbing one another. That's why even it is not visible to us, you can see the aeroplane sound. So that is also due to friction. Okay. So that is noise pollution. Yeah. Similarly, an amount of supplying energy for any action of machines and vehicles lost in order to overcome the friction. All these points I summarize. So all these things happen. Why? Because we are using an amount of energy to overcome the friction. Therefore, due to friction, we will have all these problems. So that is known as disadvantages of friction.
Hello. Ma'am.
That's why, so we'll continue with it. Yeah, we continue with it, children. So there is a disadvantages of friction. Okay, we also have seen that forest fire. It's a natural phenomena. Yes. You know how the forests are catching fire. Even this year, Thrissur,
California.
California. You don't have to go to California. If you read it, you can see our Thrissur itself. Okay, I think month of April or May or something. We caught fire. Okay, Thrissur is some part are forest. No, that Kudiran, yeah. When you go to Kudiran, under there's forest side by side between Palakkad, Vadakkacheri, that area there are some forests. Okay. So some people say that the human people, that also can happen, but like California, as he said, California, and there is no human like us who throw the smoke, cigarette in the fire. No, we only do that, okay, because we are 100% literate. So we Malayalis will throw, we Malayalis will throw the cigarette in the forest, but the foreigners, they protect the forest, okay. So we had a very terrible fire at California as well as Amazon forest. And you must have seen, you must have seen some WhatsApp. Some animals are how they are, not terribly. They are just like us. Even they don't speak. There are picture one chimpanzee or something is holding the child in the hand. I don't know whether it is a made up or it has happened. And so many species has been burned alive. So that is not because of human error. It is because of this cause, friction. Friction means when it was too much heat energy, what will happen? These dry leaves, they dried like anything. So when the breeze is moving, when the breeze was flowing, this breeze and this dry leaf undergo friction. That is air and the dry leaves undergo friction. And you know it, for catching the fire, oxygen is required. So in the air, in the forest, there's plenty of oxygen, you know, the air. So that's what happened. So this oxygen is the one which is helping the fire to burn in the air. So this is what the forest fire happens in California and Amazon forest because of the friction between the dried leaves as well as the air. Okay, you can do an activity whether oxygen is required. Very simple. That means you light a candle and then keep a tumbler upside down or cover that candle after lighting it. You see that after some time the candle will blow off. It will not light. You can do by yourself. This is a simple activity to understand whether oxygen is required for catching the fire. Why? While you are keeping the tumbler, at present there is a beginning, there will be some oxygen. So because of that the candle start burning. But after some time, since the tumbler is fully covered, there is no more air get inside. So no more oxygen. So when oxygen got over, the candle will blow off. So this is the same thing we do. You are blowing off the candle to go off. What we do? So when you blow off, we are passing the air. When you blow off, have you ever observed? First you blow, this fire will become bigger little bit. Have you ever observed?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you blow, actually what is happening? From our mouth, oxygen is you are blowing off and it catch fire fast. Then once you stop blowing, it will be over. So it won't light. So that is how we are candle, how we are blow off during your birthday party and all that we do all this thing. Clear? So this is the friction. So this is a natural phenomena which occurs. Another thing is lightning. You know, lightning. Lightning also is a part of electrostatic force, but you have learned in the first chapter, electrostatic force, I told you, lightning occurs due to friction between the clouds, correct? So,
yes, ma'am.
When the two clouds undergo friction, what will happen? There will be heat energy will be produced. That is the one you are getting as a light because it was huge fire. It was far away from us, but while the fire travel from the light of the fire travel from the sky to reach to surface, the red color will be changed into white. So that's why we are getting lightning as a white color or white spark. Okay. And the sound, thunder. The thunder, what we get it while you have this catch fire, the electrons will jump from one cloud to another cloud. So because of that, one terrible sound heard, that is known as thunder. Okay, so that you will be studying in some natural phenomena. You have already completed your activity, correct? So I have the students who completed activity. Still there are so many students didn't have to complete. That's why I have given that activity, some natural phenomena. In this lightning is mentioned. Clear? Okay, children. So these are the disadvantages of friction. Clear? So any 5 disadvantages or any 5 advantages you have to study. Okay? So that's about the advantages and disadvantages of friction. Okay. How much time left? Shall we start the next one? Yeah. So, causes fire in forest. And what is this picture all about? This picture is all about welding. You know the welding, children? When we weld these iron bars to make... do you see those people, those who are welding? They cover their eyes with one
mask lighting.
One mask lighting. Why? Because what they do when they welding, sometimes they hammer it, sometimes they light it. So this sparks due to friction between that machine where they weld and all, the spark will fly in the air. Sometimes they can catch the fire. So that is why it can go to your eye or your eyelash can burn while they do this. Okay. So that is what they are wearing, a particular mask. Even you must have seen the people, the people who make knife, sword and all. they hammer it. No, they first melt the iron, and afterwards they put it in a mold. Suppose you want to make a knife, so they have a special type of mold of shape of that knife. In what shape you want the knife? So they pour that melted iron into it, and what they do? They're going on hammer it to make it to a straight. Okay. So while they hammer also, you can see that the spark is coming out due to friction. Okay. So that is about welding and all those things. Clear? Okay. Now we wanted, but because since the friction is advantages and disadvantages, sometimes we want friction, sometimes we don't want friction. So there are natural friction, but some cases we need to increase by ourselves the friction. We can increase the friction, we can reduce the friction by some artificial mechanism. Artificial mechanism that is increasing friction. Okay. So I think we may not able to cover. The next class we will complete it. Okay. Because of the network problem we could not complete. So I am stopping here. So today advantages and disadvantages you study. So I think by next week we will complete this chapter. Okay, children? Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. One more thing. The people, those who do not submit. Ayman, he is gone, I think. Yeah? Ayman, Suryan, Ayman, some of you already showed me the activity. There are still people did not show me activity. So I will be sending the names. Please see that you complete the activity by today, by this week, and next class I wanted that. Okay? Thank you.
Ma'am.
Yes?
We should send in the WhatsApp that activity.
You all send now because already time late now. So you send in the WhatsApp. Because I am meeting you on next Wednesday. So there's a lot of time gap. Send in my WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you.
Thank